Hello cuties and welcome to my channel Sinful Vlogs. So finally I am doing this video after my 21 days Better Me challenge. Yes, when I say it's Better Me challenge, so there's a lot of meaning behind it. So yes, today I'm gonna take up all the questions which you people have been asking me all this while. But before starting, make sure you subscribe and press the bell notification because I'm gonna bring more of this kind of challenges. I don't want any one of you to miss the daily motivation from this channel. So now coming to the questions, I will answer this in chapters. So अगर आप चाहो तो chapters follow कर सकते हो. You can jump onto the question you want the answer for. So मैंने सारे questions इधर लिख लिए ताकि I don't miss any of it. So most of the questions were very common, which is like आप क्या exercise करते हो, आपने क्या खाया, what is your before after result. So yes, I'm gonna share all of them in today's video. People who knows me as Sinful Foodie, they know how much I eat. But if you are new to this channel, then मेरे मेन चैनल का लिंक नीचे दिया, आप जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लो, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैंने ये चैलेंज क्यों लिया. सो इफ यू कैन सी द चेंजेस व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड सिंपल फूडी आई वाज दिस एंड ये जर्नी यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ चुकी है. सो यहाँ पर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Being fat is okay till time you are healthy, but यहाँ पर जो आप मुझे देख रहे हो, this is not a healthy fat. This is a very unhealthy version of me. This has happened because of my back-to-back work, shoot, lack of sleep. So a lot of factors have caused me to become this. From this. So if you're following me on my main channel, so you would know that from March, April, like 2 महीने I think I have continuously traveled. That schedule has really disturbed my mental and physical health. So I knew जब मैं 12 दिन के ट्रिप के लिए जा रही थी तो मुझे पता था कि 12 दिन आने के बाद I will be having a lot of videos to post. By that time I can definitely, this is like a golden period for me to take up this challenge and you know have a balance in my life. So also I want to continue eating because I love food and मैं खाने के बिना नहीं रह सकती. तो खाने के लिए मैंने ये चैलेंज लिया ताकि मैं अपने back to normal weight and back to normal fitness में आ जाऊँ ताकि I can continue eating again. So yeah, this was the reason why I took up the challenge. I took up Better Me challenge. It included Fit Me challenge. So my purpose of doing this challenge was never losing weight. बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. This challenge was meant completely for my mental and physical health. So Better Me challenge के अंदर जो चीज़ include थी वो थी eating right, sleeping on time, getting up on time, doing some physical activity, spending more time with family, socializing more, not on social media but in person, socializing more, having me time. So इन सब में सारी चीज़ें हुई, सिर्फ वो जो स्लीप वाला साइकिल था वो वाला चीज़ नहीं बैलेंस हो पाया. So as the great quote says, it takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to form a lifestyle. So this is the reason I have really focused on a CCC rule. देखिए CCC rule is basically a success rule. बहुत जनों ने मुझसे पूछा what is CCC. Now for me, मेरे चैलेंज के लिए CCC was consistency for sure, confidence that I can be consistent for 21 days, and lastly completion, that I will finally be able to complete this 21 days challenge, which I did and I'm very happy about it. अब वैसे तो as per my ideal height and age I should be 60-64 approx, but I went on to 73 kilos, 73.5 after I returned from my Agra Delhi trip. इतना ज़्यादा ओए होए वाला घी मेरे बॉडी में जा चुका था. 73.5 was like unbearable. So now I weigh 69.5. So I have approximately lost the water weight, which is 4 kilos of weight, जो मैं नॉर्मल कर लेती हूँ हमेशा. I have started doing exercise, hitting gym in bits and pieces from the age of 25 years. So when I was 25 years, I have joined gym and वहाँ पर my trainer, he's the best trainer ever. So he taught me few things which I have continued thereafter. Even if I'm not going to the gym, then also I'm continuing those tips and tricks while being at home. So I'm a person who hates monotony. और मुझसे एक ही चीज़ बार-बार continuation में नहीं हो सकता है. The thing which I do, which suits my body, is I start off by doing stretching. Then I directly jump onto some cardio. Cardio में I do jumping jack, high knees, mountain climbing, spot skipping, spot jumping. These are the few things, mix and match करके I do. So stretching, then cardio, and then I just jump onto my yoga thing. Few things which I do in yoga, but I will make a detailed video on the exercises which I do. सबका अपना अपना body type होता है, ये मेरे को suit करता है. एंड इसके अलावा अगर किसी दिन मैं एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाती हूँ, लाइक इस चैलेंज में आई हैव बीन एबल टू कंटिन्यू माई एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर 14 डेज. लास्ट का 7 डेज मेरा नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज माई पीरियड्स वर अबाउट टू कम, सो यू नो मूड स्विंग्स एंड ऑल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, बट लास्ट का 7 days I was not very regular with my exercises. But one thing which I made sure that I'll be doing is walking, because this is one thing which we all can afford, walking and skipping. So I used to walk for an hour daily. सो सुबह में मैं एक्सरसाइज करती थी और शाम को आई यूज टू वॉक. मेरे घर के बाहर गली में आई यूज टू वॉक फॉर एन आवर. अपना एक प्लेलिस्ट बना लो जो गाने आपको पसंद है. दे यूज टू बी 10 songs इन माई प्लेलिस्ट एंड वो 10 songs मैं रिपीट में दो बार करके सुन लेती थी, तो 1 घंटा ऐसे ही चला जाता था. और हाँ, वॉकिंग डज हेल्प रिड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ वेट ओवरऑल, स्पेशली फॉर योर टमी. इफ यू वॉन्ट योर टमी टू बी इन, देन आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड everyone to do walk, like walk 10,000 steps at least in a day. मेरा कभी 8,000, कभी 6,000, कभी 10,000 हो जाता, तो बहुत पसीना बहता था. I used to feel good while sweating, but yeah, minimum 10,000 steps one should do. Definitely I have put a stop on outside food, and even on days I was going out for relaxation because ये सब तो कर रही थी, बट काम तो रुकता नहीं है. बट काम की वजह से लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस हैपन्स, सो उसके लिए आई यूज टू गो टू चिल आउट विथ माई फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली. इवन इफ यू सॉ मी ईटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ जंक फूड आउटसाइड, सो बट आई हैव एट वेरी वाइजली. उसमें मैं आती हूँ, बट अगर घर की बात करूँ तो आई हैव एट complete घर का खाना. I used to start off my day, like first 14 days I have started my day with green tea, without sugar, without honey, nothing, only green tea and one rusk. Then I used to simply eat घर का खाना. Like I used to start off, जो मैं अभी नहीं हमेशा से करती हूँ, which is boiled पपीता या boiled करेला. That I eat for my gut, कि मेरा gut अच्छा रहेगा. That has nothing to do with, I think, weight loss. Definitely papaya does help in weight loss, but मेरा वो purpose नहीं था. So after green tea I used to have light breakfast, like fruits with mixed seeds, watermelon seeds, chia seeds. I used to sprinkle that on top of fruits and used to eat sometimes brown bread, egg, and sometimes chilla. Sometimes my mom used to make सूजी का उपमा. एक सेकेंड में कॉफी पी लेती हूँ, बोर हो रहा है. उसके बाद on lunch I used to simply dig on to the homemade food. So I have substituted white rice with brown rice, and I used to eat a lot of sabzi, जो भी मम्मी देती थी, साग, boiled दाल, fish, boiled veggies. I used to eat that, पूरा प्योर घर का खाना. I used to eat little bit of rice and more of fiber and this protein. उसके बाद I never used to do snacking at home. अगर बाहर जाती थी with friends and family, then I used to eat, but that also I used to eat wisely, in the sense I have drank like 4 to 5 times white wine. Definitely wine is not bad for health, but 4 to 5 times तो नहीं पीना है. but मेरा ये चीज़ हुआ है, I have done this cheat meal. Or when it comes to food, I never used to eat much of carbs. I used to order salad. I used to eat kebab, tikka. Definitely it's a cheat meal again, but बहुत ज़्यादा carbs खाने से तो ये थोड़ा सा खाना better ही था. एक बार शायद मैंने पिज़्ज़ा खाया होगा, वो भी एक स्लाइस पिज़्ज़ा खाया था. एंड या लास्ट का 7 days, जब 21 days खत्म होने वाला था, तो उस टाइम पे मैंने एक सिजलर खाया था. सो द पॉइंट इज, डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ. सोच के मत खाओ. अगर खाना है या चीट मील करना है तो 7 days में यू कैन डू चीट मील ट्वाइस, राइट? यू कैन डू चीट मील, बट डोंट थिंक कि वो चीट मील करूंगी तो मोटी हो जाऊंगी. तो डेफिनेटली आप मोटे हो जाओगे. ओवर थिंकिंग की वजह से आप ब्लोटेड फील करने लगोगे. सो इट्स ओके टू डू चीट मील्स ट्वाइस a week if you are doing any fitness thing or something. It's okay, it's completely okay until till time you're eating good food, healthy food, and you're exercising properly and maintaining the other factors of the challenge of the diet. It's okay to do cheat meals. For dinner I never used to eat anything apart from salad and soup. So I've only and only ate either saute veggies, salad और soup, no roti, nothing. क्योंकि डिनर में जितना लाइट हो सके वो अच्छा है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस चैलेंज और इफ यू आर टेकिंग अप एनीथिंग लाइक सच, देन 8-9 बजे तक खा लो. उसके बाद मत ही खाओ. मेरा कभी कभार काम करते करते लेट हो जाता था, तो मेरे को 10-11 बज जाता था खाने में. बट इफ यू कैन मेंटेन दैट 8-9 o'clock वाला मील थिंग, देन इट विल बी रियली फ्रूटफुल. regarding a few recipes which I have, with a few food meals which I have ate in my videos, and people have asked for the recipes that include quinoa salad and soba noodle ka recipe. So for sure I will be sharing my 5 best delicious yummy tasty recipes which you can eat and still not gain weight. You know, that's a smart recipe. This recipes I'll be sharing on my main channel, which is Sinful Foodie, so make sure to subscribe to that channel if you haven't done it yet. So yeah, this is the moment I'm sharing the picture. I'm not a bold kind of person like in this field, and you know, I am very nervous to share this, but I think it's something which I've achieved and I need to share this. So yeah, this is the result which you can see. This is a 14 days result which I have got. So you can see how I used to look before. My body में ये बन चुकी थी after the trip, my 12 days trip, and उसके बाद this is the body shape I have got. Now let me tell you one thing कि this is the result of 14 days. So first 14 days I was very consistent. I was very dedicated to this challenge in terms of food, in terms of exercises, everything. So ये था, but 14 days के बाद next 7 days का मैं अभी आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ, because मेरा बॉडी शेप यही है के बाद जो 14 डेज में आपको दिख रहा है ना, 14 डे में मेरा बॉडी शेप अभी भी यही है, वेट भी यही है. बिकॉज और हो सकता था, इससे भी ज़्यादा बेटर हो सकता था कि अगर मैं शिद्दत से उस चैलेंज को कंप्लीट करती. बट लास्ट 7 डेज आई डोंट नो व्हाई, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पीरियड थिंग एंड ऑल. मेरा 21st डे चैलेंज खत्म हुआ, उसके एक दिन बाद ही आई गॉट माई पीरियड्स. सो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मूड स्विंग्स एंड काम का प्रेशर एंड ऑल की वजह से आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ चीटिंग. लाइक इतना यस आई डिड चीटिंग, अदरवाइज मेरे को और रिजल्ट मिलता. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस रिजल्ट, फीलिंग हैप्पी देन बिफोर. यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी द रिजल्ट. अगर आप मेरा आगरा फूड सीरीज देख रहे होगे तो आपको दिखा होगा कि हाउ, मतलब यू नो, दिस फेस हैड बिकम बल्की एंड ऑल. अभी यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी द रिजल्ट ऑन माई फेस. डेफिनेटली जब आपका वाटर वेट घटता है तो यू नो फेस गेट्स श्रिंक, एंड डेफिनेटली दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड ऑल हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट on my hip area and little bit on my tummy area. But definitely you cannot see much of the difference on my base right now. If I can actually show you, wait, this is what my base looks like right now, and this is what my tummy looks like right now. See, so this is normal. If I leave my breathe, so this is what, so you can see this very well, right? And yeah, this is what I am right now. And coming to the rest of the part, my body, which I'll be definitely showing you, आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं. Like my neck has reduced a lot, reduced a bit, so I am feeling very lighter on this part of my body. And yeah, with this note, I want to say that yes, I am very happy with this challenge and the responses which I have got from you people. And so I've decided that I'm going to take up a Fit Me challenge, wherein my focus and dedication and you know that CCC rule will apply only for my fitness. I'll be doing a 14 days Fit Me challenge, not 21 days, क्योंकि मेरे को 14 days में consistent रह सकती हूँ. So yes, it will get started soon from the next video. I hope you love that as well. और अगर कोई मेरे साथ ये Fit Me challenge करना चाहता है, then definitely you can participate with me. You will definitely get at least some kilos का reduction as a result. So stay tuned for more such mini vlogs because you guys have been missing it. And yeah, keep supporting and keep motivating because your response, your comments does motivate me a lot. I will see you in the next video, which is like Fit Me challenge mini vlog. Till then, bye bye, and I will say happy eatings, happy dieting, happy fitness, happy everything. And yeah, before leaving, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Bye bye.